Many modern dash cameras are great at capturing all the action that lies ahead of your vehicle, but can't show the rear footage of the interior. Cobra is joining the growing number of companies offering a dual camera system with their newest 895D to help give you a full view. We took a look to see if any blind spots remain with this latest edition. Out of the box, you will get a similar camera design found in the XA0 system for the front camera. This camera features the same 160-degree viewing angle and 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution at 30 fps, but does not have the Bluetooth connection capability for GPS tracking. The rear camera has a 130-degree viewing angle and a 1280 by 720 pixel resolution at 30 fps. Its design is compact and cylindrical, similar to the rear camera from the XA0 system. It adheres to the glass with a 3M adhesive and is not easily removable once set in place while up front. A suction mount is included and attaches to a quick-release bracket that lets you slide the camera off easily. To get everything connected, the kit includes a Y-splitter cable that comes out of the front camera and connects it to both the 12-volt power source and the rear camera. A 20-feet extender cable is included to make sure you have enough to power the second camera if you decide to mount it in the rear of your vehicle. If not, you can also remove the extender and mount the second camera in the front of the cabin. Just rotate the lens inward to capture what is going on inside your vehicle. This setup would be perfect for any Uber or Lyft drivers. We instead mounted the camera in the rear window and had to adjust it several times due to the angle of the rear glass in our 2012 Lincoln MKZ. A large 16GB micro SD is included to record 2 clips from each camera. In total, the 16GB card could store around 75 minutes of footage at the highest resolution setting for both cameras. Setup to start recording is actually fairly simple as the cameras begin recording once connected and powered on. In standard loop recording mode, the camera captures 3-minute videos and once full, will overwrite the oldest videos. You can also set the loop recording clips to